Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase to Trust Wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your crypto or just manage it better, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both a Coinbase account and a Trust Wallet app installed on your device. You'll need some Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet to transfer, so double-check that before we start. Oh, and remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so always verify details to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the Wallets section. Find your Bitcoin wallet, it should show your current balance. Step 2. In Trust Wallet, open the app and go to the Bitcoin section. Tap on Receive to generate a wallet address. This is a unique string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully, as you'll need it for the transfer. Pro tip: double-check that you're on the Bitcoin network to ensure compatibility. Step 3. Back on Coinbase, select your Bitcoin wallet and click on Send or Withdraw. Paste the wallet address from Trust Wallet into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the network fees. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Step 4. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify the transaction with your two-factor authentication. Once approved, the transfer will be initiated. Depending on the network, it might take a few minutes to an hour to reflect in your Trust Wallet. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your Bitcoin. Always keep an eye on transaction status using blockchain explorers like blockchain.com. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. What's your next crypto move? Drop it in the comments below. That wraps up our guide. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.